Today at Masala Hub, I will show you how to pan fry okra. A lot of people seem to be intimidated or disgusted by okra. It doesn't have to be that way. I will show you some tricks on how to pan fry okra quickly and easily so that none of the goo and slime forms while you're pan frying your okra. That way you'll be able to serve the okra just the way you would serve any other vegetable. The key to pan fry okra is to follow some essential tips so that the okra doesn't get gooey at all. Start out by washing the okra well. And make sure to dry your okra well after washing, because when you cut it open, the plant reacts with the water and creates some type of gooey sliminess which is really not pretty. Cut off the ends of the okra and discard the ends. Then cut your okra in bite-sized sizes or cut it into 2-inch long pieces. Grab a pan, heat up the pan and add some oil and add your onions. Fry your onions soft, then add your garlic as well so that it gets a bit fried. Next thing, add your cut okra and stir fry your okra for a minute or something like that, and season with salt and black pepper. At this point you will notice some goo forming between the okra. That's where we will be adding some vinegar. Vinegar has acidity, that means it breaks down the gooiness of the okra. That slime will dissolve completely if you add the vinegar. You can also add lemon juice, which will have same effect. However, lemon juice tends to make the okra more soft, and that's not what we want. We want the okra to remain nice al dente. It should have a certain firmness to it. Stir fry for another couple of minutes until the okra are cooked, but they should still be firm enough so that you can serve them up nicely. Please visit Masala Hub for more tips and serving suggestions. Be sure to subscribe, like and follow, and check out my other video. Thanks for watching. See you later.